Patients were generally really happy to take part in the project because they thought it was a worthwhile one. I think overall patients felt satisfied with the care and the treatment that they received at the service, and I think this was one way that they could give back to the service and to members of staff that helped them. I think they were generally very grateful, so it wasn't too difficult recruiting patients. The only issue the patients had in the beginning was with the film, but again, it's about reassuring the patient and making sure that they understand that it's a worthwhile project.
Patients are in a unique position to pass on their experiences and knowledge because they're the only ones that have actually been through that journey.
I chose to get involved because I wanted to make the experience for future patients much better than what I had. And I felt if I could tell people about all my problems, that it might help them improve the services in the future.
It's really important to recruit patients early, and it's really important to have a key person within the service to be able to identify patients for you. In our case, we had a clinical nurse specialist who approached all the patients, explained the project, and then asked for their permission for the researcher to approach them.
It sounded very above board, worthwhile, good thing to do. It sounded interesting too.
As a patient, you know that it shows that someone's listening to you, and at the same time, you even though you've been through it and you didn't have that kind of help, your experiences can only help patients that go through it in the future.
You know, my experiences were very positive, and for me what I wanted to do was share those positive experiences and also feel that the experiences that weren't positive, something could happen and make them more positive for somebody else. And I felt that the video really achieved that. I did. I know some people were worried about things being perceived as being negative. I didn't feel that at all. I felt it was a very honest account, and I felt it was positive because I felt it was about people wanting to carry on doing better.